Hey guys. Hey guys. So I'm here outside on my house, our home, and yeah, it's like a garage here, and stuff. So I'm just selling again here in my shop. It's like the updated shop and just the prices of it. You can see. Post that if you can read that. But yeah, still sell plushies, deco tapes, bottle charms, and some cell phone charms. So yeah, that's my friend there. And yeah, it's a lot windy here. And thank God it's not sunny anymore. Oh my gosh, sorry for the background noises. It's like so many cars or tricycles are like passing by on our street or house. But okay, I'm still like, yeah, that's if you're international people and if you're wondering what Philippines look like, well, I'll be telling you guys that that's what it looks like. So yeah, so wait. So yeah, there's already trees in here and stuff. Oh, sorry for that. Yeah. It's a lot of green stuff here. And yeah, so gonna be showing you our street. So like everybody is like passing by on our home or street is like um what's this? Is like staring at me because yeah, I'm doing like a vlog in here and stuff. But yeah, yeah, I'm bored and stuff. Just a pretty background here. Yeah, it's a pretty background. It is here outside. But I'm gonna be showing you the pamphlets that we're gonna like what's this? Pamphlets that we'll be giving away from people that are interested in our shop, which is these. And the name of our shop is Kawaii Summer Shop. And yeah, if you want to post that, if you want to read that, just post that. But yeah, I'm just hiding the contact number of me and my friends. So okay, yeah. And the back says, "Have a good day ahead." So yeah, we're giving away this when people are interested. So or like wondering what are we like selling and stuff. What's the handmade? Then yeah, here's the tags that we'll be having, and here's the packaging when someone buy and stuff. So yeah, I hope this vlog's worth it. But hope you enjoyed my recent or my previous vlog, which is no, it's wreck this craft bed Neru. So yeah, I guess I'll be uploading the Neru Neru ni now. Yeah, now or later stuff. It's like 6 o'clock. So yeah. So again, there's the street, and if you could see, it's like when cars are passing by, it's super duper noisy and stuff. So yeah, I hope international people could see this so they could see what Philippines look like and stuff. But yeah, and hope you buy on my shop because I'm indeed needing money today. Like school is starting on Philippines. It's like June, or our enrollment is like May 16 and stuff. But in the international people, some of them are having school right now because the schools of them starting September, November. If that's right. If it's not, just comment down below so I can indeed know what's it and stuff. So yeah, I think that's that. So yeah, hope you enjoy this vlog, and yeah, hope you buy my shop. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.